My mom used to make me this recipe, and I used to be a very picky eater, so I'm gonna ask my mom. Mom, can you make me that curry hot dog? Yes, my child. I'll make you that hot dog curry. So just pick out any hot dog that you want. We picked out Oscar Mayer's beef, but you can have chicken, turkey, or regular, and whatever brand you want. And I'm slicing them in a slanted manner just so you have more hot dog surface, but whichever. Then you get 2 onions. I sliced 2 onions. You skin the onions first. And I slice them round. That way, when you fry them, they're still round. Da, da. I actually almost cut myself there. Oh! Yeah, so always be careful when you slice. And here's another onion. So the knife that we use, we actually got that as a gift. We have several of those from Buckner's. They actually sell those magnificent, fantastic knives at Buckner's. They're located in Jackson, Georgia, if you're interested. They offer Southern cooking in a unique way, unlimited. If you want to try something different, yeah, it's worth the trip. So there we got our onions. I know it looks like a lot of onions, but they're gonna cook down. You're gonna fry them in a pan with hot oil until they are translucent. So just slab them in there and they'll cook. So now we're getting ready for the curry, and also it goes well with rice. Here you see the onions frying really nice. To make the curry based sauce, you basically mix 2 to 3 spoonfuls of curry, and I always gauge it. Mix it with half a cup of water. And then also some ketchup, maybe half a cup of ketchup, and then add more curry according to feel. And just make sure that you mix it well. Otherwise, it won't be mixed well. I also mix some cumin for extra flavor. And mixing it well to ensure that there are no clumps and that all the flavor mixes well and blends together perfectly. And more. And now we mix the mixture to the hot dogs and to the onions. It smells good. That's how it looks like with the professional video camera. It's kind of dark, don't you think? So if you try this recipe, let us know how you liked it. It gives it a very professional flavor, like not like hot dogs. And that's how it looks like on rice. You like it? Mm-hmm. It's different? Or what? Good.
We want to thank everyone for watching the Chris&Teena Johnson project. Your time watching keeps our channel going.